Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create a fully customized Microsoft Teams adaptive card using ChatGPT and send it to a Teams channel using Power Automate Instant Cloud Flow. If you're excited, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Power Platform tutorials. Before we proceed, we need to understand the JSON structure of adaptive cards. For this, we will refer to the Microsoft official adaptivecard.io website. So this is the Microsoft official website, Adaptive Cards. From here, when you click on samples, you can see many samples of the adaptive cards. Let's say if I click on the flight details, then here we will see the JSON and the template JSON code, and this is the outcome of the adaptive card. Now we can also edit this one when we click here, try it, and then this is the overall JSON code where we can customize it. But in this tutorial we are going to see how we can leverage ChatGPT and create a fully customized adaptive card. Now if we go to ChatGPT and write this, like create a Microsoft Teams channels adaptive card for Power Automate JSON code. I want to show my current flight details with my name, ticket number, destination, arrival time, and flight name. Don't forget to include the JSON structure that ChatGPT is going to follow. So here I'm writing follow the JSON structure from this website. So what is our website? So this is our website URL. So we just paste it here and then enter. So as you can see, ChatGPT has already created the JSON structure for the flight details adaptive card. Now we go to Power Automate, click the Instant Cloud Flow. We just give the flow name like Adaptive Card Flight Details. Select manually trigger flow and click create. Now search for Teams. I want to send a card, post adaptive card or post card in a channel. Click here. Now let's say we want to post it on channel. Now I'm going to select the channel where I would like to send our adaptive card. I'm choosing the Teams IT Hex. So under IT Hex, I'm choosing the channel General. Now here's the thing. Adaptive card, as the ChatGPT already created, we copy the code. And paste it here. Once we are done, we click on save. Now click test. For the first time, we are going to testing the flow manually. Click test. click continue, click run flow. So our flow runs successfully. Now we go to Teams channel, IT hack. So this is the channel. So this is the adaptive card that we have set on our Teams channel. Passenger name, ticket number, flight name, destination, arrival time. So this is a plain adaptive card. So if we want to customize it, we go to the ChatGPT and write make vibrant UI. So the ChatGPT is creating our upgraded vibrant UI. Now we copy the code. We go to Power Automate Flow, click Edit. From here, we paste our new fully customized UI adaptive card. Click Save. Click Test. So our flow ran successfully. We go to Teams, and this is the fully customized UI that ChatGPT created for us. Now we can also further customize. Let's say we can add a button here to show the full details of the flight with customer name and other entities. So we go to ChatGPT and write add buttons to show flight details and also a button to track flight. So based on our added features, ChatGPT is creating the new adaptive curve. Now we copy the code, go to Power Automate Flow, click Edit, go to Postcard, then paste our new adaptive card JSON structure, click Save, and click Test. We go to Teams channel. So this is our new UI adaptive card with enhanced feature. Like we click on the flight details, it's showing the flight status, gate number, baggage claimed, boarding time. So this is how we can customize our adaptive cards just by leveraging the ChatGPT and create the fully customized our enhanced UI adaptive card. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Power Automate and Power Platform content. Also, let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see. See you in the next video. Bye bye.